Welcome back to the garage. We're going to be working on the Sportster again. Last time, we tried to go through, do the handlebars. Found out because of the controls and where the cutouts are on the handlebars, we had to internally wire everything. That worked out pretty good. All the wiring works, everything fits. After that, we tried to do the rear shocks. Found out the exhaust is in the way. It's too close to the shock mount. To remedy that, we got a new set of pipes. Decided to go with Lowbrow Customs shotgun exhaust pipes. I looked around a little bit. These aesthetically just look like what I wanted. They're going to be high. They'll look good on the bike, I think. Going with the black theme, kind of minimize some of the chrome on the bike, even it out. We've got black tracker bars, black shocks, now black exhaust. Should tie it all together pretty good. But first, we got to take it all off. Let's do it. So to install this exhaust, I have to undo the rear motor mounts for the exhaust hanger. Unfortunately, this piece is in the way when the suspension droops. So now is actually a good time to go ahead and do the rear shocks. Since I've already broken it loose, I'm going to skip ahead to that and I'll show you installing the new ones. doing the rear motor mount bolt. So removing the first one, it inadvertently snapped one of the grounds. So now I have to try to add a new connector to it. I don't really like the location of this. I don't know why they put a ground on the motor mount in this location, but I may try relocating them to a more accessible place. Alright, so after a quick trip to the hardware store, I managed to pick up some wire with a new ground, and back in here, this is the rear motor mount on the left side. There's a ground on the other side, and I figure we'll put this one on the left side, and it's in a nice, safe, tucked away spot that's much more accessible to tell if I'm going to twist it and break it off this time. But it'll just simply tuck up into here and bolt it right up in there, and I'll probably zip tie it up in place, and it will stay nice and safe.